I found something. Oh yeah. I found the fish. Found it. We're gonna look all these houses if they have FPA. We're gonna do inspection now. Talk along. Today we're gonna make what I'm gonna do today. We're gonna make my upgrade home nice and stunning. I told you we will find things. We found a dead bucket. How about you? You see ya? A little bucket died here, man. I will show you. Every day if the house fall, we're gonna check. Look, we found a little bucket died here. Here inside this one, little bucket. I'm gonna have it. Finding different type of stones. We have gravel, we have white, we have brown yellows. The house is the outside is the sun is pretty hot, so we got another hut here. So we're gonna still carry on picking the stones, and we make sure that we have a lot of stones because this space is a little bit bigger. I've not measured it yet because still I want just to do the collection of the stones. So let's go on. Thank you for watching my videos and subscribing. For those who have subscribed, for those who have not subscribed, subscribe so that we go together. So today we were making, I was making my veranda at my tent here, and now I've finished making my veranda at my tent, and now this is the result of what we made of today. So this is what we make today. Very nice. We have a nice flowers, seedlings, and we will buy more flowers. Very super nice. Super nice flowers. Very super nice. Very super nice flowers. You don't spend any money. So everything is organic. You find it, you use it, make a good use of it. So here is my upgrade. This is my upgrade, and this is my flowers. How do you call it? The wild flowers. These are the wild flowers. Tomorrow we'll buy the real flowers like we can plant here in this our real bit compound. No problem. Everything is very nice. Tag along with us. We're gonna make it very super nice to have a nice cozy tent house. Here we go. We got this one. This was the egg of the weaver bird, and we want to find out we can hatch it. I don't know how I'm gonna incubate it till it gets to the baby stage, but I'll try. I'll update it every time that there is any change. Give me a like on the video. Watch my video till to the end. The snake is going inside. Hey.
This all started a couple of years ago when I built my first boat during the lockdown in France. I've been always keeping in mind that
if you are new here and this is the first time you are coming across my videos, welcome. This channel is not for the cooking. It's a different channel. We are showing the interior remote areas in Africa, but today I was making my veranda here and I said let me just add in the cooking part because coriander, tomato, ginger, garlic, onions, paprika, fresh paprika. Then garlic, onion, well is here. Super. So my food is ready and I'm gonna have my early dinner. So this is my food. Very nice. So I'm gonna have my